We've all seen it. The iconic James Bond Aston Martin DB5, the only car fit for Her Majesty's most lethal secret agent. But this one is particularly special. It was originally built by Aston Martin and came with all the gadgets you'd expect built in. Machine guns, bulletproof shield, smokescreen, radar, and so on. Now it's been painstakingly restored, so not only does it look the part, but all those gadgets actually work.
This DB5 is not quite like others to drive. Obviously there's a lot of extra weight on board because of those electric motors, hydraulic pipes. As a result, it feels quite heavy to drive. You've got quite heavy steering, quite heavy brakes. But here's the thing, you just don't care, because it's fantastic. I'm driving the world's biggest and best toy. So it doesn't matter that it's not a performance car. That's not what this car is about. And of course, the important thing is, it still sounds like a DB5.
This 1964 example was built to promote Thunderball, so it travelled around America with the actors. You might expect to find such a car in a museum, but this one is going up for sale.
So how much will it cost you to buy the coolest big boys toy there is? Well, this DB5 is going up for auction at RM Sotheby's Monterey auction, and it's guided at a cool $4 to $6 million. Not cheap then, but if you can afford it, what a way to live out your dreams. If I had all the money in the world, what a thing to own. It's just glorious.